Has this happened to you? You're driving along in your car, and you're like, oh my God, it smells like exhaust. And you have a noise. Well, you probably have an exhaust leak. So I'm Jamie Giaquinto. I am Mama Fix It. And on today's episode, we are going to fix that leak for very cheap. So come on, let's get started. What you're going to need are your car keys and a dry rag, your muffler weld, a wire brush, some sandpaper, rubber gloves, eye protection that is just so sexy, a headlamp, a wet rag, and your socket set. And I like my socket set just because in case there's a loose connection between the two muffler parts that's causing the leak, you can just tighten that up and that's it. All right, so let's get started. How do you diagnose where the leak is coming from? This is where you take this lovely rag here, and guess what? We go over to our vehicle with the stinky exhaust, and we come to the exhaust pipe, and we shove the rag into the exhaust pipe, just like that. There are so many things I could say right now. Stuff it up your pipe. Okay, anyway, sorry. Now we're gonna go here and we're gonna turn on the truck. You can do this if you have a second person, it's handy, but we're gonna do this with just flying solo here. So, turn on the truck. It's gonna be real obvious here. We're gonna hear this. Sorry, let me shut the door here. We should hear where the leak is coming from. So, I'm gonna grab my headlamp. Make sure you've set your parking brake. Oh, whoopsies. That's why I blew it out. Oh my gosh, that's great. I just recruited my husband to come out and start the truck so that I can make sure the exhaust stays plugged. Otherwise, I would use duct tape. Yeah, he's still in his PJ, so I'm not gonna show him. Yeah, there he goes. Third time's a charm. Watch, this is the time I shove it so far up there I can't get it out. So while my husband starts the truck here in just a second, I'm gonna head up and look underneath the truck so that I can see where this thing is leaking. So that way, even if these rags blow out, I can get an idea of where I need to look. Before I go under the truck, I have on my headlamp, my goggles, and my gloves. Now let's go. There are easier ways to do this. I could have put the truck up on ramps. Now, I am gonna admit, we got a little lucky in finding this because we kind of knew where it was already, but we found it initially by stuffing the exhaust pipe. So under here, we're gonna take a look. This is a muffler. And if you see, it's got some black tape on it. We tried this muffler tape, but it did not work to stop the leak. It's actually pretty worthless. You can see, look at all the gapping here. I'm just gonna pull that off. I'll take this off nice and easy. Oh yeah, there it is. Well, I can see the leak, but you're gonna hear it in a second. Oh, yeah, those are some good leaks. I am going to hide my face so I don't breathe the exhaust. I'm probably gonna try and roll away from it when this happens. You're gonna hear what an exhaust leak sounds like, and it sounds a little farty. Let's listen for what that leak sounds like. All right, Justin, start her up. Okay, kill it, thank you. I don't know if you heard that, but it's kind of like, and it can get really, really loud. So I'm gonna remove the exhaust tape from the back, and then we're gonna go over and we're gonna grab our muffler weld and we're gonna fix it. All right, so you see how this is oily and it's dirty, and you can actually see the holes right here, right there and there. And then this one's a big one right here, or relatively big, I guess, right there. We're just gonna clean that up with a wire brush and the sandpaper and the rag with water on it, and make sure it's nice and clean before we put on the patch. Now I'm gonna show you the swimming method for getting your arm and all of your gear out from underneath your truck. You extend your arm all the way up, ooh, and come out this way. Then you come back in this way. Whoa. And then I'm going to hand it from one hand to the other and swim it out. This is what happens when you don't put your vehicle on ramps. So you can see nice leaks there, nice holes, and nice holes here. So now I'm taking my muffler barf rag and I'm gonna dry off where I just washed on this muffler so that it's nice and dry. Polish it up. Oh, that looks pretty. I am just gonna wait for my muffler to cool down because it needs to be completely cold before I apply the muffler putty. This should be fun. It's gonna be like playing with Play-Doh, I think. I don't know, I've never done this before. Okay, I'm back, and I'm back with my muffler weld. I've never used this stuff before. Let's check this out. What's it look like? Ooh, it's goopy. I am going to crawl underneath the truck, and according to the instructions on the package, we're gonna need our wet rag again because we're gonna moisten the area by the holes, and then we're just gonna take this putty and we're just gonna shove it into the hole and just really work it as much as possible. And then when it's done, we're gonna smooth over it with a wet finger. So let's go under the truck. Nice and moist. Then I'm gonna reach in, I'm gonna grab my muffler weld. I know that was upside down, wasn't it? Oh, this should be real fun. Okay, do this like paddle fingers. Oh, this is fun stuff. Look at this. Woohoo! Oh, it's like putty. Okay, I'm just gonna shove it into that hole. Apply it real nice and generously. Apply it liberally here. It's really stuff it into those holes. This is called the inch walk. Pretty good sized hole there. This is kind of fun. I'm gonna put the lid back on my muffler weld. Take a look at that. I think they said with a damp finger, run over the top of this and smooth it out. So I'm gonna do just that with my clean hand. Oh yeah, that's drying quickly. Okay, smooth it out. I don't care how it looks, it's underneath my truck. I don't think anybody's gonna be looking underneath my truck for anything. Okay, pull my gloves off. Now all we gotta do is wait. And I am not gonna run my truck for 24 hours because that's how long they say it takes to cure. Tomorrow we'll start up the truck and we'll just make sure there are no leaks. Yay! It's been a little bit more than 24 hours since I put the muffler weld stuff on, so let's start the truck and see if it works. I'm gonna sit here for a couple minutes and see if we die of exhaust poisoning. So far, so good. Yeah? Did we do it? I think we did it. We fixed it. We fixed it. We fixed it. Yay! Oh, this is so exciting. This is awesome. I got about a full week out of the muffler weld, and then all of a sudden the exhaust smells started creeping back into my truck. And let me show you what happened with that muffler weld product on the bottom of my truck. Sure what you can see here. See, it kind of like flaked off, and my holes are back, and they're back with a vengeance. And here we go for the holes that were in the back of the muffler. I mean, check this stuff out. It's just flaking off. So I followed all the directions, but apparently this isn't going to work long term. So the bright side is I gained about a week of not having stinky exhaust coming into the truck. The downside is it was only a week, and neither of the muffler products that I used actually fixed the problem for long term. So I'm going to take it into my favorite muffler shop and just have them put a new muffler on it. As Mama Fix It, sometimes you got to know when to say when. Anyway, I am Amy Giaquinto. I am Mama Fix It. Please go check out my website at www.amygiaquinto.com. You can watch all my other episodes, see all my fun stuff. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I am not sponsored by any companies at this point. So if you're interested in sponsoring my videos, feel free to reach out. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.
Public safety announcement. It is now time to put on your rockin' goggles and your beautiful matching gloves.
Do not shoot me with a Nerf gun. Oh, goodness, there's a glider coming at me.